Methionine is one of the 20 different amino acids that make up proteins in our body. In this visual mnemonic, we'll give you an easy way to remember the structure and properties of methionine so you'll be ready to crush it on test day. It's the year 3000, and we've come across an old, rusty robot sorting through recycling at a junkyard. Cool! Check out this robot's giant metal eye. This metal eye is our symbol for methionine. Get it? Metal eye for methionine? Again, methionine is one of the 20 amino acids you have to memorize for the exam. The full name methionine is also abbreviated to the 3-letter met and 1-letter M. Luckily for you, metal eye can help you remember all 3 of these names, since metal eye starts with met and the letter M. Anyways, let's now move on to learn the chemical structure of this amino acid.
Watch the full version of this video and learn more about this topic by clicking above the left arrow. Click above the right arrow or visit Pixorize.com to explore other topics we cover in videos similar to this one.